In 1959, on a corner lot in Arvada, Colorado, a house was built on an oversize corner lot. It had red brick. It had purpose. It had potential. And in 2024, it was given new life. A renovation with impeccable attention to detail. Let's look around. The kitchen, updated with modern, soft-close cabinetry, hardware of considerable taste, and elongated subway tile that is, as they say, the perfect combination of timeless and trendy. Marbled quartz counters that are sophisticated and functional. 4 bedrooms, each with its own character. Here's bedroom 1, suitable for daydreaming. Bedroom 2, spacious with considerable charm. Bedroom 3, versatile. Bedroom 4, equipped with designer details. 2 baths, modern, functional, clean. Below, a finished basement for gathering, for game nights past and future, for teenage solitude. The living room, where one lives. But this story doesn't end indoors. The large corner lot features a private, fenced backyard and a covered patio. Space for contemplation or celebration. And just a little ways beyond the fence is Jack B. Tomlinson Park. Space to play and walk around a peaceful pond. Nature, just steps from your door. Wanderers will find shopping, dining, and coffee shops, all within walking distance. Old Town Arvada, with its charm and character, is just 1.5 miles down the road. For the commuter, less than a mile to Interstate 70, or simply walk to the light rail. 5126 Hoyt Street, built in 1959, reborn in 2024. 1,740 square feet of impeccable style, situated on a spacious corner lot. Available now.